Welcome back. The Missouri Job Center is looking to help bring together today's employers in trade industries with area youth. We have Pam Reagan from the Missouri Job Center with us this morning with an invitation to an event that will help bridge the gap. Welcome to you. Thank you so much for being with us this morning.
Thank you.
Of course, happy to have you. So talk to me about this event called Build My Future.
So Build My Future is a career expo that is going to focus this year on the construction trades as well as advanced manufacturing. So we have all of our employers in the area come in for this expo, hands-on activities for all of the youth to participate in.
Fantastic.
And just we're still needing employers to sign up for our event.
Absolutely. And then what types of employers are you looking for, and how can they apply if they want to be a part of this expo?
So any kind of employer that is remotely related to construction or manufacturing. We're looking at from the dirt work to the finished product to interior design, architecture, welding, construction, the whole gamut, as well as anything with the manufacturing.
Fantastic. And then where can they apply, and is there any cost to apply?
So the application, they can go to Build My Future in Southwest Missouri, and the application link is there, and there is a fee for that, and it depends on whether they're going to be outside or inside and how much space they need and all of those kinds of sponsorships that are available.
Certainly, certainly. And then for students who are wanting to attend this, now it's 8th grade to seniors. So
correct.
Yes. So where can they do so? And is this open to just more than Southwest Missouri students?
It is, and they would apply at the same spot. There's once you go to that site, there's a link for our exhibitors, and there's a link for our students. And they can sign up by school. If they're homeschooled, they can sign up individually. They can sign up as a group. We will take any youth that wants to come. And we do invite Kansas. We have some from Oklahoma and Arkansas, as well as all of Southwest Missouri.
Absolutely. And then when is the Build My Future event, and where will it be held?
It's October 17th, and it will be in the old Macy's building at North Park Mall in Joplin.
Fantastic. And then that's going to be at 9 a.m. as well?
Yes, from 9 to 2.
Wonderful. And is there any deadline for employers wanting to apply?
Not really. We would probably take them up to that very week.
Absolutely.
The week before probably would be good, so we can plan where to set tables and things like that. So.
Well, fantastic. It sounds like it's going to be a wonderful expo and lots to learn for students and employers as well. So
absolutely.
Of course. Thank you, Pam, for being with us this morning. If you'd like to learn more information, you can use the website and phone number located at the bottom of your screen. Stick around. We're back with more right after this.